said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves real fast. You also have to look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Hey?
Dave!
Do you want me to interview you? I'm just... What are we doing? We are fitting a 4-branch Dynodaze custom manifold to this Colt Ralliart, and it will look lovely, and it will make a good gain. So that's what we're doing. God, this lockdown. Dragging the bottom of the barrel, isn't we? Shot for content. It'll be good. Everyone knows what manifold looks like, don't they? I don't know, Rich.
Everything's orange.
Everything's orange.
Got some orange wrap.
Can you remember those adverts in the 80s where a big orange man would run up to you and slap your face? And we used to do it to the kids in the playground and they'd all get detention.
Yeah, get detention.
Couldn't get away with that nowadays because your health and safety
definitely
shit.
Not.
Turbo smart.
Yeah, so I've got some orange wrap to try today as well, haven't we?
Yeah, it's going to look nice.
So we'll see how that comes out.
Look nice.
Nice peel of fucking rice.
Peel our rice. Can't swear on my YouTube videos, Jason. Dynodaze. Yummy. Don't snap a bolt challenge. Jason's the expert now.
I'll tell you what, mate.
They loose as fuck.
Yeah.
That's fantastic news.
Fucking lovely!
No snapper bolter.
No snappy wappies.
It's rare, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh, drop that. Just drop that bolt.
Just drop that. It's alright. It hit the floor.
Didn't need that one.
So we're fine. Excellent. Well done, Jason.
Thank you.
Check out that lovely Gizfab. What are you doing, Jason? Burnt yourself? No. Yes. Gizfab. Gizfab. Let's start that again. No, let's not start it. I can't be bothered. Right, Gizfab. X-Brace.
Nice.
It is nice, ain't it? I really like it. Eden does some good work. Well, Eden will sort you out, man, if you want.
Sort me out by showing me out?
Sort you out by showing you out. Yeah, it's nice, ain't it?
Why orange? This guy likes orange.
Yeah, he should have custom made it in orange, shouldn't he, really? Yeah. For him, Eden. Eden, if you're listening, this is a boring colour. People want colour.
I want a white one.
I think white would be nice, you're right.
Yeah, that's what I want a white one. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very fresh, very sexy.
Available on Eden's website, no doubt. So go to Gizfab. Is it .com? Someone can tell me, but yeah, Eden does some quality work, so give him a shout. That's what a
wheel bearing sounds like.
Yeah, that is a wheel bearing. So any car that comes on the ramp at Dynodaze, we sort of do give it a bit of an inspection, and we found a snap drop link and a rear wheel bearing that's hanging out. So customer complaining about a noise, and we found it. So better get cracking, didn't we, Jason?
Yes.
What do you think to his wheels, Jason?
I like them.
What are they?
I don't know. Wheels.
Like
the round, the silver, and the 16-inch.
That sounds like my profile. Oh, she's purring, so let's see what Jason's done. Hey, Jason.
Hello, Daniel.
Had your lunch, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks lovely. Wrapped in orange, looks like a Satsuma, don't it? Get that in your mouth and a bag over your head and you're halfway to in excess. Fantastic, Jason. Looks good, that, mate. Proud of yourself? Yeah. No, it's too hot, ain't it? We're all a bit tired. Oh, well done. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. That makes some mid-range gains, won't it, Jay? Yeah, man. J-Fro. Smells nice. What is it that you want, Jason? I'm tired. Oh, that sounds lovely. You can't even hear nothing now. That's great, Jason. That's a job well done, mate.
Thanks, mate.
You must be proud of yourself.
Cheap Linglong wheel bearings, no good.
Euro car parts, I believe.
Oh, cheap Linglongs then.
Yeah. He could send that back. Because
It's fucking disgusting.
it's dog shit. It's looking good, Rich, over there.
Busy as busy can be.
Check out the paintwork. Beauty. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Ooh. It's definitely got a bit of sunburn.
I'm fucked, mate. You shit state. Look at me neck. Look at
Can't even that size, is it?
that. Bad, isn't it? I don't mind. It's worth it.
Good lad.
Worth it.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.